It's not RC. Adventures in Radio Control.
Alright, so I've been digging this out a bit here. Got it kind of set. Got these little bits of hardwood. I don't know what kind of wood this is, but it's got a whole bunch of these from some RC swap meet thing, and wonderful wood. I don't know what it is, but anyway, we're going to put a couple of these in here. The idea being that this will help support the yeah, put one in there. As I said, I've dug this out a little bit, so the styrofoam's like one either side. That should give us something to actually screw down to. Okay, got my little hardwood rails installed. Glue's still a bit tacky, but I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so now all I have to do is attach the servo to the back of this. Like that. Alright, cut some little blocks to put on the servos. Yeah, I don't think you can't really see the servos anymore because I've covered it in tape, so I'm about to glue it to the thing here. I only want this part of the wood to actually be I don't want to glue the servos in here, I just want the wood blocks to be in position. I'm going to use the servos as a sort of guide, so I glue them down to the thing here. I should be able to remove the servos and then screw them in so that they're replaceable. Just using 5mm epoxy, nothing special here. Although it's really hot right now in the middle of summer, so stuff kicks off real fast, so I can't really dawdle too much here. I don't know if you can see in this camera, but I put some little crisscrossy crosshatch slits with the knife in the end of the wood here, in the end of the hardwood, to give it epoxy a little bit more to bite to. I might reinforce this around these little blocks afterwards, we'll see. I'm also going to put a little bit on the actual plywood. So we get it on both sides. I'll give it a minute. I can feel this glue's already starting to kick. Jeez. What was that, 30 seconds? It's supposed to be 5-minute epoxy. I think I get like 2 minutes of that. That's it on this temperature. Yeah, it's like 80 degrees in here, Fahrenheit, so it's a little toasty. Alright, I'm going to line this up here. Some little marks there so I can kind of know where to put these. Take all the guessing out of it. Okay. We're going to grab some clamps. Where's my clamps? Never have too many clamps, right? Sometimes it's better just hold it with your fingers, but if you can get the clamp to do its job, that'll be good. This one's still lined up right. Alright, I'm going to let those set up. Those have got to be really solid, so I might let that set up for a good while. Okay, we're back. This is the next day. I let this stuff dry up pretty good, and I've mounted my servos, as you can see. Those are looking pretty spiffy, and amazingly, they do actually seem to fit. The right one. So yeah, I had to whittle out some parts of the little rails here, but that's okay. To be expected. Well, it was fitting a minute ago. Okay, it doesn't fit. Yeah, alright. It fit before I put the servo in there. Yeah, I gotta work this out. Let's do that. That's gonna split. Oh, I got one side good. I'll try the 2mm. Still feels tight. Oh darn it. You have these smaller screws. I'm glad you're using those. Yep. That feels better. Button goes through there too. Yeah, that's better. Okay, all better. Nice. Nice. Yeah, that's real good. Pretty pleased with that. Yeah. Servo wiring, one of my least favorite things of all. Okay, I finally got this done. What a pain in the butt, but yeah, I just every time I do it, something goes wrong. But I just got done fixing a big mess. But anyway, I've made up these wiring harnesses, the two ones on the bottom here, you can see. All right, so I've got this sort of kit. I make my own wiring harnesses. So I got this kit where you buy you get the individual little doodads, and you got all the little all this stuff, and you need the crimping tool, and you can make your own connectors, which is really nice. So you can do this end on your own, which is cool. And you know, I've got a box over here full of wire and heat shrinking and all this goodies and stuff. So all right, so I took care of that end of these wires. The other end has these little micro connectors. Let's see, I got two different kinds here. I forget the names of these right now, but I got the bigger, I think they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. 6 pin ones, and I got these little 4 pin ones. I'm using the red ones, so I only need 4 pins for this, and it's kind of smaller too. So anyway, on the end here, what we basically got is this cable here will go inside the airplane. These will connect to the receiver. Basically, I don't want, every time I plug this wing in, I don't want to have to plug in, you know, the ailerons to the receiver. I want to leave the receiver alone so I don't get any issues. So making up this wire harness, this will go to the left aileron to the right aileron channel, connect to here, and then this from the wing comes this guy, which plugs into there, which will then go off and plug into my 2 servos here. Yeah, so the servos will go in there. That's kind of the wiring diagram there, I guess. So yeah, I don't know if you're wondering about these connectors or not. It's 4 pins. So what I've done is obviously the yellow wires here coming from the servos are separate. So each plug has got its unique signal wire. That is on the let's see, that is on the 2 pins, the top of the pins on the top of the screen here. Those 2 pins are signal wires. The pin standing on its own here is the black ground. I've combined both servos into one ground, and also done the red cable is the next one up. The 2 power wires, the red and the black, are combined, and the signals are separate basically. So this is just going to make it a lot easier to just plug that into the you know, when I'm installing the wing, I can just plug that into the airplane and we're good to go. Alright, I've got my wiring harness mounted in here. It's all set up and ready to go. I also filled in the wing, the hole in the wing, the little slot, that's covered up. It's all very invisible now. That's rather good. I did actually take some footage of that, but I forgot to take the lens cap off my camera, so oops. Anyway, yeah, that's good to go. What I would like to talk about today, though, is covering. I would like to, it's time to actually cover this thing. I've chosen some colors. I don't know if the camera's picking this up by now or not, but this is fluorescent orange. It's absolutely glaring in real life, and the camera is sort of doing it justice, but not really. It's glowing. And I got some black Ultracoat here. So I have this design that I've come up with in Photoshop. I took a few pictures, so I can show you that here. Yeah, so I took a few pictures of the actual plane, and yeah, outside, and so I've just, through the wonders of Photoshop, I've now come up with a design that's kind of spiffy looking, I think.
Okay, I think that'll probably do for this video. We'll do the covering in the next one. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you like this stuff. Give me a like, and I'll see you next time.